Good afternoon, 9F. I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's proceed on with the class. Are you all able to hear me? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, children, a few announcements before we begin. If you are going to have your camera off, you will be removed from the class. You're not supposed to attend the class with the camera off. Fine. And the second is that your attendance will be taken in the last 10 minutes. Between the last 10 minutes. Okay. First, we are going to proceed on with the study. And then in the last 10 minutes, we are going to proceed with the class. The third thing is what we are going to do in the class. You must be having your notebook and pen with you. You will keep writing that. Must have your notebook and pen. Keep writing all what we are going to do in the class. I can ask anybody to show the notebook. Okay? Okay, let's proceed on with the class. I'm going to share the screen. This is the last warning to Gurveer, Yuvraj, Rudra. Please switch on the camera. Guranj. Devteshwar, your eyes on the screen, beta. Okay, ji. In the previous class, we have done the introduction to physics. Now we are going to proceed on with the chapter. The first chapter we are having is chapter number 8, motion. Okay, that's your chapter number 8, motion. So can anybody tell me what is motion? Anyone? What is motion? Okay, yes, Daksh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, motion according to me is the movement of an object from one place to another.
Very good. But don't do this. Motion is the movement of an object from one place to another. Very good. Anyone else? Yes, beta, please unmute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Can you speak your name?
Ma'am, Gurnadar Pal.
Sorry?
Gurnadar. Ma'am, Gurnadar.
Okay, Gurnadar. Okay, fine. Good name. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, a body is said to be in motion when it's perfect.
A body is in motion when it, you can say cover.
Change continuously with repeating to a stationary object take as reference point.
What do you mean by this? Don't read it, my dear. Try something from your side. Fine?
An object that move
Yes. An
continuously
object
that
that
is
move, we can say the object is in motion. Yes, very good. Okay. So your eyes onto the screen. Your eyes onto the screen, please. Let's say this is a big rock. Fine. This is a big rock and there is one person in front of that rock over here. There is one person standing in front of that rock. Fine. You want to find out the distance between the person and the rock. You get the distance as, let's say, 2 meters. The distance between the person and the rock is how much? 2 meters. After 5 minutes, you again measure the distance and still the distance is 2 meters. After 10 minutes, you measure the distance again and still the distance is again coming 2 meters. So is the person moving? Is the person moving? No. Very good, Rosedeep, Puneet. For the answer, Himanshu also gave, yes. Okay, so no, the person is not moving. Okay, now, when you check at the first time, the distance is 2 meters. After some time, you check the distance between the person and the object is, let's say, 4 meters. After some time, let's say the distance increases more. It is now 8 meters. It means the person is moving. First the person is here, now the person is here, then the person is here. It means the person keep on changing the distance. So we can say that the object is in motion. Can we say this? Yes. And with what we have compared the object? We have compared the object with this rock. So this rock with which we have compared the object, this rock is called as a reference point. Got it? What this is called as? A reference point. Hanji Guransh, is it clear? What is reference point? Okay. So reference point is that with which you are going to compare to find out whether the object is in rest or in motion. Yuvraj, Rudra, Gurveer, still your cameras are off. Okay, ji. Moving on with the next one. So this is about the reference point with which you are going to compare. You know, when we are in the bus, is the bus moving or is the bus is at rest? We have the trees outside on the road. So we compare with the trees. If we are in the bus and the trees are at the same distance from us, after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, it means the bus is in rest. Now when the trees, you feel like that the trees, they are going in the backward direction. You feel like that the bus is in motion. Yes or no? So that time trees act as a reference point. Tab wo trees kya hai? They are your, means with what you are going to compare. Okay? Chali, moving on with the next thing. We are going to have two of the, one is the initial position. Two words I'll be writing onto the board. One is initial position. And the second is final position. So what is initial position? What is final position? let's say you have to go from your home to your school. Fine. So here you are having your home. Let's say at this point, your sweet home. And here you have your school. School is also sweet, yes? Okay. So you are going from your home to school. Okay, how many of you want to go to school? Okay, Nancy is very much excited, yes? Palak, good. Panchal, Sukhman, everyone is interested, yes? You are waiting for the schools to reopen, yes? Okay, so don't worry. Soon we are going to meet in the school. Okay, ji. So let's say this is your home. Okay, and this is your school. Okay, now from where you started from your home. So the point from where you started, we call it as initial position. From where you begin, from where you start. Okay, what is initial position? From where we begin. Then comes the final position, where you finished. Now you started from home and then you keep on moving and you reach to school. So which is the final point? School. So school, that is the final position. I'm stressing onto these two words because we are going to use these two words very randomly again and again in the class. So are you clear with what is initial, what is final? Which we generally say is the start and the end. Fine. Now we are going to call it as the initial and the final. Okay, let's move on. The first term we are going to have is distance. Today we are going to talk a lot about distance. Okay, so what can be the distance? Let's say again you have one point here. Again your home. Chalo. So this is your home. And you have another point over here. And this is your what? School. Okay, so you have to go from home to school. There are many ways to go from home to school. Is it? You can go by a road over here, this way. Fine. There may be a road directly or somewhat like this from your home to school. You can follow that road also. Or let's say one of your friend is living here onto this area. वो उसको भी लेके जाना है साथ में. So you will follow this path and you will go to the school. So there are going to be many different routes which you can follow, and obviously from your home to school there is not just one path. There are going to be many paths. You have to choose the one which suits you, best suited. Yes? So there are going to be many paths. ऐसा नहीं है कि घर से स्कूल तक there is only one path. There are many paths, but you are going to choose the best out of it, which suits you. Fine. So okay, we have three paths. One is this path A. Let's say it is 8 kilometer. Fine. This is your path B. Let's say it is 6 kilometer. This is your path C. Let's say it is 7 kilometer. So raise your hand and tell me that out of these 3 paths, which is the short path? The shortest out of these 3. Yes, am I able to see Varun? Yes, Varun. Anji? Varun, I'm not able to hear your voice. 6 kilometer? Okay, very good. So 6 kilometer. Varun is saying that the path 6 kilometer, that is path B, is the shortest one. Is it correct? Anji, Daksh, you can say, is it correct?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, his answer is correct.
Okay. So out of
Ma'am,
A, B
excuse
and
me, ma'am.
C, B is the
Excuse me, ma'am.
shortest one, that is 6 kilometer. Okay. Now asking any other student, let's ask from Soham. Soham, please unmute yourself, beta. Soham, unmute. Soham is not able to. Okay. Chaliye, Palak D.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So Palak, these are the 3 paths. Yes, A, B and C. Can you find out one more path which is going to be shorter than these 3 also? इनसे भी ज्यादा कोई shortest path हो सकता है?
Ma'am, yes, straight from home to school.
Very good. What if we are going to have a straight path direct from home to school? Very good, Palak. So this is going to be the shortest among all. Yes? Okay. So we have 3 paths till now. First is path A, 8 kilometer, path B, 6 kilometer, path C, 7 kilometer. So roads are there. Fine. You can follow any out of 3 and you can go to your school. So this is the distance. कोई भी रास्ता, like distance, maybe first day you are coming through path A, so distance कितना हुआ? 8 kilometer. Second day 6 kilometer. Third day 7 kilometer. So anyone. So what is distance? Please write down the definition of distance. What is distance? The actual path followed between initial and final position. The actual path followed between initial and final position. That is going to be your distance. Okay? Actual means actually there has to be a road. You have to follow that and you have to go. So actually there is a path between the initial and the final position. We call it as distance. Fine. Now, what I asked is that there can be the shortest one. So yes, shortest if what we have a straight path from home to school. अच्छा, इस red line से ज़्यादा straight short हो और कोई हो सकता है? Is there any more path shorter than this one? This red one. हाँ जी, Nityam Mahajan. Good afternoon, Nityam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Nityam, is there any shorter than this one?
No, ma'am.
Very good. So whatever is the straight is the shortest. You can't have any more shorter than this. Yes. चाहे उड़ के जाओ, जैसे भी जाओ, your time will decrease, but the distance will not. Fine. So time decrease कर सकते हो depending upon which means of transport you are going to use. Yes, but the distance is the straight one, is the short one. इससे ज़्यादा short नहीं हो सकता. Very good, Nityam. So okay, here comes the next definition. That is displacement. Please write it down. Displacement. And what is displacement? The shortest path between the initial and final position. Understood? Whatever is the shortest between the two positions, between the 2 points, that is considered as the displacement. And keep this in mind that when I say shortest, it is the straight one. There can be the actual path, there cannot be. हो भी सकता है actual path. अगर यहाँ पे भी मैं एक green line draw कर दूं, so maybe यहाँ पे भी एक actual path भी हो. नहीं भी हो सकता. But displacement can't be the short out of whatever you have. No. Displacement is always going to be the straight one. Got it? Is this point clear? Varun ji? Okay. Any doubts still here? Okay. Now we are going to do few of the questions based upon this. And my first question goes to Karthik Kapoor. Karthik ji, please unmute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Karthik. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so Karthik, I'm going to draw something, one diagram over here. Just look onto the screen, okay? So we go from point A to B. This is your point A. This is your point B. Then we go from B to another point, that is C. Then we go from C to another point where it is written D. Then we go from D back to A. Okay? Now, AB is given to you as 2 kilometer. BC is given to you as 2 kilometer. CD 2 kilometer. AD 2 kilometer. Karthik, can you tell me the total distance covered?
Ma'am, 8 kilometers.
Very good. So the total distance is going to be 8 kilometer. This is what you say the perimeter. Yes? You find out you remember about the
Yes, ma'am.
perimeter? Yes, very good.
Yes.
So the total distance covered is very well done, Karthik. It is 8 kilometer. Okay. Now my next question is to Haji Manveer Singh. Yes, Manveer.
Anji ma'am.
Hanji, beta, you started from which point?
Ma'am A.
A. हमने A से start किया. Then we go to B, then to C, then to D, back to A. Manveer, can you tell me which is the initial position? Manveer, which is the initial position? Yes, beta.
A, ma'am.
Very good. Very well done. So the initial position is A. Manveer, which is the final position?
D,
नहीं, देखो हम A से B तक गए, B से C, C से D, D से A. So which is the final position?
A.
Very good. Initial position is also A. Final position is
हाँ जी।
also A. So can you tell the displacement? Displacement होता है shortest between initial and final. Yes. Initial भी A है, final भी A है. तो A से A तक आने के लिए which is the shortest path? Whatever is coming in the
ये नहीं पता
mind.
मैम,
हाँ जी,
नहीं पता।
पता है, कुछ तो पता है. Whatever is coming in your mind, any try. You have to start from A and you have to come back to A.
A ही है मैम फिर तो।
हाँ तो what is the displacement? Tell me na, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 0 kilometer, whatever it is. Okay, anybody else? Okay, it's yes, Panchal.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. Yes, beta. What is
Ma'am,
the
the
displacement?
displacement, ma'am, 0 kilometer.
0. Very good. So it is 0 because see, Manveer, is it clear? Okay, see, this is one point. This is second point. If you have 2 points, between that the straight is going to be the short. क्योंकि आपने जाना है, आपने distance cover करना है. So straight is going to be the short. Now if this is the initial position and this is only the final position. So what is the short between this? 0, nothing. Okay. Chali. Let's bring a little change in the question now. Okay, my next question is to Jannat.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hanji, good afternoon, beta. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Jannat, the question to you is, you have to go from A to B, B to C, C to D. What is the total distance?
Ma'am, 6 kilometers.
Hanji, very good, beta. It is 6 kilometers. Very well done. Okay. Now the another question I am going to ask from Sukhman. Yes, Sukhman. Sukhman, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sukhman. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Sukhman, so one thing we have done that from A to B, B to C, C to D. If we go like this, The total distance is 6 kilometers. Yes. Now, can you tell me which is the initial position? Sukhman, in this case, which is the initial position? Yes, unmute.
Ma'am, A.
Okay, A is the initial position. Which is the final position?
Ma'am, D.
D. Okay. Can you tell the displacement? Is there any short from A to D? Andy? No. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, I'll be asking from, yes, Guranj.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Anji Guranj.
Ma'am, the displacement is 2 kilometers.
Okay, how you can have that?
Ma'am, by making a path to by making a path from A to D directly.
Very good. A straight path from A to D.
D.
Rather than taking the turns A to B, B to C, C to D, what if we go straight from A to D? That is going to be the shortest. Yes. Very well done, Guranj. So this is 2 kilometers. So in this case, the distance is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Fine. And the displacement is going straight from A to D. That is 2 kilometers. Very well done, my dear. Okay. Now the next question is, my next question goes to Sayam Sharma. Please unmute, beta. Bacha, please unmute yourself. Okay, he is not able to. Harpreet, you can sit at a place, then I'll be asking from you. Soham, Himanshu, Varun, your cameras are off. Yes, Rajpreet. Yes, Bacha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm good.
Okay. So, Rajpreet, we have to go from A to B and then from B to C. A to B, then B to C. What is going to be the total distance?
Ma'am, 4 kilometers.
4 kilometers. Very good. First A to B, 2 kilometers, then B to C, 2 kilometers. So total is 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Chale. Next question I'll be having from Varun. Varun, please adjust your camera. Himanshu, switch on the camera. Varun, please unmute yourself. Good afternoon, Varun. Good afternoon, Varun. Varun, we are not able to hear you. Maybe because of the headphones or these. Okay. Yes, Varun.
Good afternoon.
Yes, now we are able to hear you. Good afternoon, beta. So, okay, the distance from A to B, B to C, that is 2 plus 2, 4 kilometers. Okay. Now, can you tell me which is the initial position?
Ma'am, A is the initial position.
Very good. A is the initial position. Which is the final position?
Ma'am, C is the final position.
Very good. C is the final position. So, Varun, can we have the shortest from A to C?
Ma'am, yes.
How?
Ma'am, the straight path.
Very well done, my dear. The straight from A to C is going to be the shortest one. Okay. Now, how you are going to find it out? Value of AC. And Varun, any idea how we can find out?
Ma'am, no.
Get an idea, sir. Okay, Varun, I'm going to give you a hint. You have done in your maths in previous class, you have done the concept of Pythagoras theorem. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so everyone, your eyes onto the board. I'm going to talk about this, how we can find it out. So, we have a triangle, fine, right angle triangle. So here it is 90 degree. In front of this 90 degree, we have hypotenuse. The side front of it is hypotenuse. Yes. This is called base and this is called perpendicular. Is it? And how we can have the hypotenuse form, that Pythagoras formula? H square is equal to B square plus P square. Is it? Now same apply here. See, this one is your hypotenuse, one is the base, one is the perpendicular. Apply the formula. H square is equal to base kitna hai 2 kilometers, so 2 square plus perpendicular is again 2 kilometers, so 2 square. So H square is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. H square is 8. So H is equal to square, on the other side it will be square root. Varun, switch on the camera. Now you are going to take the LCM here. LCM of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. What comes twice, you are going to take that out. And you left up with only 2 in the root. So 2 under root 2 meter is your answer. So in this case, the distance is 2 plus 2, 4 meter. And the displacement is 2 under root 2 meter. Kindly note it down. Manveer ji, I will check the notebook. Harpreet. Kindly do not take just the screenshots. You have to write it onto the notebook. Screenshots are not going to help you out. More you write, more you understand. Plus, when you take screenshots for 2-3 days continuously, 5 classes, in every class you take 2 to 3 screenshots. So 5 classes, 15 for a day. For 3 days, 45. For 1 year, how many? You will not get anything out of the screenshots. Please write. Hanji Manveer ji, done? Okay. God bless you. Yes, Daksh, any doubt, beta? Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, I wanted to inform you that my friend Difteshwar said that he was having a serious net issue, so he could not attend the class.
Which friend?
Ma'am Difteshwar.
Okay, beta. So, okay, ji, this is all about the class for today. What we have done today is the distance, displacement, and the questions based upon that. Anji, any question till now? Any question? Anything you want to ask? Okay. Okay, ji, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. God bless you all. Panchal, I hope you have understood. Okay. I can understand the situation, but try to be in the class also. Okay. Okay. God bless you. Bye.